Tonight, top law enforcement officials are voicing concern about a recent Supreme Judicial Court ruling that lets some convicted sex offenders walk free. As Chief Correspondent Joe Shortsleeve shows us, district attorneys say they're now going to have to rethink how they put these offenders on trial.
Is public safety at risk?
I think public safety is certainly at risk.
Essex County District Attorney Jonathan Blodgett says his office has no idea where convicted sex offender David Ganji might be tonight. That's because Ganji is just one of a handful of convicted sex offenders allowed to walk free following a ruling by the state Supreme Court. Ganji was facing lifetime parole.
What has you so concerned?
Well, because it affects public safety, it affects the safety of the neighborhoods, and that's our primary concern. I mean, we represent the people.
The state Supreme Judicial Court basically said imposing community lifetime parole on someone after they've served their sentence is unconstitutional.
Does it make sense?
It does. You know what? I think they got it right.
Defense attorney William Barabino represented accused sex offender John Burbine of Wakefield. Burbine recently committed suicide. But Barabino says lifetime parole does not make sense for many convicts.
It's not for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, or 30 for the rest of your life. And you have kids or people who are 22, 32. Do we need to have them on for a bracelet for 50 years?
The state's parole board had been allowed to impose additional jail sentences for those under lifetime supervision. The court says that is not constitutional.
Does lifetime parole make sense?
I believe lifetime parole makes sense for certain offenders, absolutely.
The district attorney said they will now redouble their efforts to find other ways, including longer sentences, to keep certain convicts on their radar. Joe Shortsleeve, WBZ News.